Hello, Career Planning. This is Mrs. Lundberg, and I'm just going to go through your 2.1 assignment for career planning. I have a lot of students that can get confused on this assignment, so I wanted to just explain it a little bit better. So you're going to be opening up this assignment to fill in and go through the directions. What you're going to be doing is researching a career pathway and then inputting an occupation based on this website. So if you control click, it will take you to the career pathways. Now if you look, there's a lot of different areas that you can choose from. So you're going to just kind of research and explore and look for 3 that are of interest to you. Then once you find your 3 pathways, you're going to fill in the row here. So one of the areas that you're going to fill in is then personality traits, skills, interests, and values. These actually came from your Unit 1. So you're basically taking the personality trait types, employability skills, interests, and work values that you learned in Unit 1. So for example, when you click on personality type, if you need to review or go back to your worksheets, you're just going to click on that. I kind of have these open already. So for personality type, you're going to pick one of these that relates to the career that you're putting in the row. Is this career a feeling, more of a judging type of personality that would fit best? So pick one of these, and then you're going to put the personality trait right in this column. Skills, the same thing. You're going to go to the skills area, employability skills. What employability skill does this career match best with that you did from Unit 1? So these are the different ones that you're going to be picking and then putting into the column. Interests, same thing. In Unit 1, you had the different interests that you looked at. What interests does this career pathway match best with? Realistic, social, so kind of review through these if you're uncertain, and then you're going to again fill in the column. Last is the values. So under your work values, which one does it match best with? And you're going to choose and put those into the column. So make sure that you're following the directions with making sure from Unit 1 you're putting in what you've learned, and your new area that you're going to be doing is the career pathways by researching on this website the different career pathways under that. So if you have any questions, please email me. You can text, call, and in virtual hours. Hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you soon.